All right, 2 9 zeros in the multiplier. And as always, we chat off camera about where we're at with everything here.
Yeah, like you tell us when you do stuff.
We have 2 official lessons left. So here's one. Notice that the zeros here, see them there kind of throughout. That's what we're going to look at, what happens when we come across zeros. We have seen some zeros before, but multiplying with money, that's tomorrow. Nothing real exciting there. Then we do our bonus lesson, check our practice test, another either practice test or some higher level exercises to fire you up here.
What's a bonus lesson?
Optional. Sometimes I do them, sometimes I don't. Depends on the schedule. You know, I can use them to like move test dates around and put them where I want and stuff. Like having a test towards the end of the week is good. Having a test on a Monday, nobody wants that. But test on like the last day of the week before a 3-day weekend, and then come back and start a new chapter, that's a good time to have a test, right? Yes. So, no, it'll be good. It's just we'll learn math, but we'll do it a little different to an extent, perhaps. So, okay. I don't really have much to say about how to multiply. Clearly, you know how to do it. I have seen you do it. I'm looking at page 83. I see number 5 in the top left, 219 times 304.
Why don't you start with number 1?
Well, what is that over there? I don't write any questions like that. The homework doesn't have any questions like that. So
How about number 2? What is the same
it's the same as number 1.
1 to 4 is the same thing.
All 4 of those are.
That's so confusing.
Yeah,
Like, why is there just question?
well, yeah, that's why we're just going to 5. I probably don't need to say it, but I'll say it anyway. This you can do in your head if you want. This is what you do. You multiply. You can do that in your head. Okay, 219 times 304. So start over here in the ones. 9 times 4, 36. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7. No carryover. 4 times 2 is 8. To the tens column I go, so not in the ones column. Now, if I multiply 0, and again, I could, in theory, multiply all that. 0 times 9 is 0, 0 times 1 is 0, and 0 times 2 is 0. On to the hundreds column I go. No ones, no tens. 3 times 7, or 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 1, 3, plus 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Add it all up. A 6, a 7, a 6, a 6. 66,576. Would we all agree with that? Yes?
Yeah.
What do you think I'm going to show you now? 219 times 304. Same problem.
How to do it.
Right, but what am I going to do different? How many lines am I going to add this time?
3, 4, 2.
No, I'm going to add... I've heard everything between 1 and 4 here.
5.
Raise your hand if you think you definitively know what the answer is going to be. How many lines is this going to be?
3.
Eh.
Why 2?
Why 2?
Why 2? Because we don't have to do the times.
Look at all this right here. So watch what happens now. Right? Because I just added a string of zeros, which really didn't change anything, did it? So now I'm going to redo it. 9 times 4 is 36. 4 times 1 plus 3 is 7. 4 times 2 is 8. Nothing changed. Now, still working in the tens column. But when I multiply this 0 in 0 tens times anything, I just keep getting 0 over and over and over, which I would expect. We have the 0 property of multiplication that tells us anything times 0 equals 0, right? So I already know the sum of my tens is 0. So if I just put a 0 in my tens, now I can just go right to the hundreds column because I have 0 tens, right? Basically, I'm just moving right to this step because this is my number I have here in the tens column, 0. 9 times 3 is 27. There's my 5. There's my 6. 6, 7, 5, 6, 6. 6, 7. There it is. Yep, it did happen. So, that's all that this is here. Truth be told, I mean, this is what I hope you can get, 66,576. If you're getting that answer, I love the method that you used. Most people, if it's not fifth grade, you know, usually in fifth grade but they start shifting to this method here. Some people, if math is tough, I'll see it set up this way, and that's fine too. I'm not saying it's not. What I'm saying is, if you're getting 66,576, that's what I like to see. So, at least for the duration of this lesson, I'm going to focus on this method here. If you are doing yours and you add a string of zeros, well then just understand we're going to be a little different here on that second line. But we should have the same numbers on the first and third lines. We'll still have the same numbers. Okay, so I'm just going to use the method here. Don't have much else to say, so want your 5 problems?
Yeah.
Great.
Right now. Let's do it. Also, can you pull the sticks ahead of time?
I'll do one more with you down here.
Can you also pull the sticks ahead of time?
What?
Can you pull the sticks ahead of time?
Yes, not initially, but before. Yes, I'll give you like a minute or
700
two.
go on top.
So, this is how they wrote it, 22 here, right? You'll see some, of course, are in the horizontal form.
I hate that one.
Personally, I would rewrite it in this form because then I can just do it all on one line, period, right? So, when they're in this horizontal form, that left-right thing here, you're probably going to rewrite anyway.
Yeah.
But you can choose how you want to rewrite. But I rewrote it this way. And I mean, it's not like you can't solve it this way. But this way, right. This is going to be, plus you're going to have zeros all over the place with this one here on your second line answer. I'll do it both. But so with this way here, the trick here, 0 1s, 0 0 0 0, 0 10s, 0 0 0 0. Line 3, I got nothing but a string of zeros on lines 1 and 2 at this point here. 7 times 4 is 28. 0 0 28. Boom boom. 2,800,800. There, wait. 802.
Yes. I was about to correct it into a 0, then I was like,
200, 800, 2,800. All done on one line. 0, 0, and then 4,004 times 700. Boom. Over this way here, again, you get 0, 0, 2,800. You know, are you doing 0, 0, 0, 10s, 0, 0, 0, hundreds? Now I'm in the thousands. No 10s, no hundreds. No 1s, no 10s, no hundreds. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. Well, I'm showcasing if you go the old way. I'm not saying this is wrong, but I have to do the 1s, that's 2,800, and then the 10s is 0, 0, 0, the hundreds is 0, 0, 0, now I'm to the thousands. So no 10s, no hundreds, no 1s, 10s, hundreds, but 4 times 0, there's my fourth 0, in the 10s column, 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 7 is 28. Add it up, 0, 0, 8, comma, 2, 0, 8, comma, 2. So when you look at it this way, you're probably like, man, I probably want to write it this way. And if I can use that strategy, that'll be even faster still. The longest way I could possibly do it, the shortest way I could possibly do it. Lots of options in between. Once again, what am I going to tell you? If you got 2,802,800, I love how you did it, superstar. That's what I'm saying. So, we will, Dominic.
okay.
But I'm open-minded to different people. If you're you sitting, you can practice, but if you're comfortable a certain way, stick with that for now. I would prefer accuracy and all that. This type of stuff, it'll come one way or the other. It'll come. But make sure that this is where we're ending up. Does that make sense? Yeah. Correct answers are paramount. How you get there, some choices. If you're up there, you probably see the shortcuts and you'll take them. If you're not, maybe a different method or style, that's fine too. It's not like a race class here where you have to do everything fast. Okay, back to our regularly scheduled program. I'll give you your 5 here all at once. Let's see, number 8. You'll like that one. 2 zeros, isn't it?
Can you pose it ahead of time?
I said I will, but not right away. Let's see here.
I mean, you said the same thing. I did? Yeah, you said, can you pose this ahead of time right after? I said, yeah, can you pose it?
5, 8, 7, 9. I need something with 6s, 4s, 3s in it. Like number 16. 9, 3, 6. It's 430. Okay. 23. That's a good one. 37.
I don't like 23 or 27. That's still, that's 37. I thought it was cold. I don't think I'm 16. I'm not. I just finished 8. I'm writing 16. I didn't even finish any of them yet. Now I'm working on 16. I'm writing the problems there.
Word problems are all no fun.
You're giving us word problems?
Oh, yeah, normally there's a fun one, but these are all no fun.
But just give us a random one about boxes instead of the actual word problem. It'd be a lot easier. A lot less frustrating.
I could just create like a mega problem, like a 10-digit times 10-digit number problem for you to work on the rest of the day. Which one of these is the fastest?
What story problem are we gonna do?
I haven't picked it yet.
Can we just skip one?
No, Dominic. That's not
Number
how
41.
life works. That's
41.
the way the cookie crumbles. That's
Alright.
what I always say. Yeah, and I said that's the way the class breaks. Someone has to hit it with a baseball bat. What the heck? What is that? It's a spider. Wait, put it down onto the paper. Ooh. Oh, 40 was about it. It's disgusting. It's Halloween season.
Eat the viewers. Eat the viewers.
Dominic. Dominic,
Why?
this is what you do when you want
Are you guys all done?
Yeah. No.
No,
Oh,
I have.
what are we doing here?
I have 37 and 41 left. I have all of them. I know you're already all done.
So Hey, when you finish, just go work on the homework for a moment. When you're all ready, then we'll check them.
Yeah, he said that earlier time.
Yeah. Just work quietly. Shh. I want everybody to try them all. All right, ready? I think we're ready. So Emma, we'll give Emma that one. Let's see, Amber 8, Kena. 16, Dominic. 23, Thatcher. 37, Charlotte. 41, Emma.
No.
All right, Kena, you ready? Okay, walk me through it.
Okay. Number 8.
Yep.
9 times 8 is 72. Put the 2 down, carry the 7. 9 times 0 is 0.
Yep.
Plus 7 is 7. 9 times 5 is 45. And then just put, and then we don't have to do the tens place. So put 2 placeholders. And 7 times 8 is 65.
Remember the Miss Barkley trick.
56. And 7 times 0 is 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 times 5 is 35.
Final answer? Football. Final answer.
Okay. 2 plus 0.
Well, you guys tell me the final answer.
No, I want to do this.
Okay.
2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 0 is 7. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry the 1. 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 3 well, 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4.
4. Where did the 4 come from?
Okay, where'd the 1 come from? It's 3.
This is how you would rate it there. So 4 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1, but then I just have 5 plus 1 is 6. There's no carryover there. Just 3 plus 0.
So what's the answer?
What I have right there.
Get to that.
Keena's pondering her choices in life right now. Thinking she took a wrong turn somewhere along the way. Yep, you were good. It's lost you somewhere. I don't know what was going on, but 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry the 1. 5, 4, and 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 5 and 1 is 6. And then
I erased my 5. Right, next to the other 5.
gotcha.
Yeah.
I'm not. Okay, good. 360,172. Dominic, you ready to wow us with your
Do I have to do the whole thing?
right? Walk through.
Okay.
Right, you need to
Okay, 0
verbally
times 6 is 0.
walk through the whole step. Okay,
Well,
what?
actually, no, just skip that. Skip that. 2 times 6 is 18.
Well,
Carry
well,
the
I
1.
gotta start over here. Start over.
Oh,
Back
yeah,
to the beginning.
placeholder.
I'm ready now. Just Pretend this is the first time we're talking, and now you're going to start telling me how to solve it because
Okay,
I'm
so
now listening.
placeholder.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm just starting. I wouldn't need a placeholder when I first start. First thing I need to figure out is what 0 times 6 is.
It's 0.
Okay. Now you can talk about a placeholder if you want.
Okay. So, do I seriously have to do it the long way?
Yes.
What are you going to do now? Do whatever it is you need to do to solve this. I agree that 6 times 0 is 0. Now what's up?
Okay, 0 times 3 is 0 times 9. 2 zeros in front of it. Done.
Okay.
Okay, placeholder. 6 times 3 is 18, carry the 1. And then 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 equals 10, carry the 1. And then 3 times 9 equals 27, plus 1 equals 28. And, okay, 2 placeholders.
Now you gotta put your comma.
We don't need that right now.
Okay, 4 times 6 equals 24, carry the 2. And then 4 times 3 is 12, carry the 1 plus 2 is 14. And then carry the 1 up there. 4 times 9 equals 36, plus 1 is 37. Now just add. Final answer
Yeah,
is
it's
402,480.
right. 402,480 is what we're looking for there. Yes. Excellent. 23. Thatcher, Roan, and Tony. Which number do you have on top? 500 or 8009?
8,009.
That's what I would do. Okay. So now we got it set up for you. So what are you thinking? What are you seeing? What are you doing?
So, long way or short way?
Whatever way you solved it.
Okay, solved it. Just 5 times 9, which is 45.
Well,
Wait, 2 placeholders.
right, because before we get there, we got to deal with the ones column. There's nobody there. The tens column, there's nobody there. Now I can begin the process. So 5 times 9 is 45.
Then 4 on the top, then 5 times 0 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. And then 5 times 0 is 0. Then 5 times 8 is
Emma has to go. I have to go.
Okay, Emma.
final answer.
What's your final answer, Emma?
Me?
41. The family, 370 gallons, 120 days. How much water do they use, Emma? Sorry, Emma's got to go. We got to have it. Come on, baby.
41.
That sounds right so far.
41.
40,
4,100.
400?
Yeah.
44,400. Is that what I heard?
No, Emma put.
No, that's what I heard, right? 44,400?
No.
44,400?
No. She
Emma
put
got it. Good job,
No.
Emma. 44,400. We are.
4,400.
Okay.
So 4,400.
Thanks, Emma. I hope you have a good day. I'll miss you the last 10 minutes.
Wait, was that
Kana,
answer 44?
there's no need for any of that here. Just let her get her stuff so she can go. Just let her go. You'll guaranteed see her again soon enough, Kana. I promise. Yep. That's right. Look at that. Emma's excited to see you again. Yes, Thatcher, final answer was. Bye, Emma.
It's 4,004,500.
Right. That's exactly it. Did you do it on one line here?
Yup.
Yep,
Just
good.
the one.
How many lines you do it on, Dominic?
Oh, I did all of them on. I just skipped the whole 0 place. But you made me do it the long way.
No, I didn't. You're the only one that did it that way.
You had a choice then.
That's what you said.
You should.
You didn't let me do the placeholder.
Yeah, you
Well,
did.
these two didn't have too many issues getting through it.
Yeah, you should have just said placeholder then 3
Yeah,
times.
you just have it out for
You
me.
need to think about your words, dude. Now, who's left? Charlotte?
Yeah.
Are you up? Which number do you have on top? Please say 7,859.
What?
Which number do you have on top?
What do you mean?
For isn't this one yours?
Yeah, 7,859.
Oh, thank God. Oh,
I did too.
it's the difference
Or
between.
78.
How many lines did you do it? 2 or 3? Okay, see how we did that? She did 2 or.
See, Charlotte
Dominic.
did the wrong way.
Yeah.
Can Charlotte do the problem now? I heard from you. Thank you.
Okay. 9 times 7 is 63, and carry the 6. Carry the 6, and then 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 6 is 41, and carry the 4. And then 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 4 is 60. And then 7 times 7 is 40. Or carry the 6, and then 7 times 7 is 49. Plus 6 is 56.
So close. 55.
55.
49 plus
Okay,
6.
that's what I had.
55. So
Yeah,
top line,
what?
55,013.
And then put a placeholder.
Right, and you said you did it on 2 lines, so therefore I'm guessing the 0 and the 10. See how we could have did that, Dominic? Yeah, we could have. Don't you be pointing missy pissy. You just keep on meandering wherever it is you're going.
Hey, do we have time for homework now?
I'm not finished.
It's doing it there. We're on the this is the home stretch, my man. All right.
Okay, where am I?
Multiplying everything times 8. Big numbers
8
coming.
times 9 is 72, carry the 7. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 7 is 47, carry the 4. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 4 is 48.
68.
And then 8 times 2 is 6, and then 7 times 8 is 56, plus 6 is 62.
That was pretty fast.
No, I'm so sleepy.
All right, 30, and then, well, you can either give me the answer like one did or rattle it all
And then the
off.
final answer is 683,733.
No, it is not. Let's do it the other way. What's 3 plus 0?
What's what?
3 plus 0.
3.
What's 1 plus 0?
3.
What?
Oh.
1 plus 0 is, right? Okay, 2 plus 0?
2.
Very good. Now I'm going to put a comma. 7 plus 5?
12.
12, so 2, carry the 1. 8, 5, and 1?
8, 5, and 1. What's 8? I can't see.
Oh, I see that there. Yeah, that's not fair.
8 plus 5 plus what? Plus 1? Yeah. Well, what's 14? 14.
14. Carry the 1. Next.
What am I doing now?
100 thousands.
2.
Well, then we carried 1 over because we just had a 14, right?
6.
New answer?
6,342,250.
There we go.
Way off.
Ding, 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 ding. As for Emma's, the average family uses 370 gallons of water a day. How many gallons do they use in 120 days? 370 times 120.
There's a lot of water.
Or however you could write it either way. A 0, 14, and a 7 to the hundreds column. 0, 7, 3. 0, 0, 4, 4, 4
When are you going to
gallons.
get rid of that wrapping paper that's on your table?
Never.
Never,
What?
never. Whenever it expires.
It doesn't expire.
Oh, no doubt it'll rip on its own and when it's time to
Or you'll
go.
just rip it because your pencil will.
Right, will get ripped at some point. That's when it'll be time to get rid of it, I
I
suspect.
don't like our wrapping paper.
Sure.